If you are looking to remodel your home this year, the way you choose to pay for it can matter just as much as the project itself. With the average U.S. homeowner currently sitting on roughly $212,000 in tappable equity, it's no surprise that many are turning to their own homes to fund renovations. But how exactly should you tap into that cash? For most homeowners, the decision comes down to two primary tools: a home equity line of credit, commonly known as a HELOC, or a cash-out refinance. Both give you access to your equity, but they operate very differently, and choosing the wrong one can cost you thousands. Let's start with a HELOC. A HELOC acts like a revolving credit line secured by your home. You are approved for a maximum amount, but you only draw the funds as you need them. This makes it perfect for phased renovations, like doing the kitchen this month, and waiting until next spring to tackle the bathrooms. Right now, average HELOC rates are hovering around 7.47%. The biggest advantage? A HELOC is a second mortgage. That means your original first mortgage and that historically low interest rate you may have locked in a few years ago remains completely untouched. Now, let's look at the cash-out refinance. Instead of adding a second loan, a cash-out refi completely replaces your existing mortgage with a brand new, larger one, giving you the difference in cash at closing. If you are doing a massive one-time project with a fixed budget, like a massive structural addition, having that single lump sum can simplify your planning. But there is a major catch in today's market. Because it replaces your first loan, you are forced to accept today's interest rates on your entire mortgage balance. If you are currently sitting on a 3 or 4% mortgage, giving that up could increase your total lifetime borrowing costs dramatically, even if the cash-out rate seems reasonable. So how do you decide? Here is the simplest research-based framework. Choose a HELOC if you want flexibility, smaller phase draws, and you need to preserve your favorable first mortgage rate. Choose a cash-out refinance only if you need one massive lump sum and the math of replacing your current mortgage actually makes financial sense. But there is a third option you must consider. Before you borrow a single dollar, ask yourself, will this remodel actually improve my home's value enough to justify the new debt? Not every renovation creates a return on investment. If your home needs major repairs, taking on debt might just add unnecessary financial pressure. At Fair Deal Home Buyers, we look at this with a practical numbers-first approach. If your Wisconsin property needs a lot of work and you don't want the stress of living in a construction zone or taking on high-interest loans, we provide a clean exit. We buy houses exactly as they are. You can skip the remodel entirely, preserve the equity you already have, and walk away with cash. To explore your options and get a hassle-free cash offer on your property, call us today at 414-409-8251 or visit fairdealhomebuyers.com.